coffee lovers! Welcome back to Delicious. Today we're talking about how to store your coffee beans for maximum freshness. Whether you've just bought a fresh bag or you're a regular coffee brewer, these tips will help keep your beans tasting fresh for longer. Let's dive in. Why does storing your coffee beans correctly matter? It's not just about keeping them in a jar, it's about preserving the essence of what makes your coffee special. When we roast coffee, flavor compounds are unlocked. These compounds are what give coffee its unique aroma and taste, the very characteristics that coffee lovers cherish. Roasting brings them to life, but these compounds are delicate. They can easily be lost if the beans are not stored properly, diminishing the quality of your coffee experience. Exposure to air, light, heat, and moisture can degrade them, making your coffee taste stale. Imagine the disappointment of brewing a cup only to find it lacks the vibrant flavors you expect. Think of it like a freshly picked apple versus a bruised, overripe one. The difference in taste and texture is significant, and the same goes for coffee beans. Proper storage preserves these flavor compounds, ensuring every cup you brew is a testament to the hard work of everyone involved. From the farmers who cultivate the beans to the baristas who craft your coffee, every step is crucial. By taking care of your coffee beans, you honor their journey and enjoy a richer, more satisfying cup every time. Tip number 1, store your beans in an airtight container. This helps to preserve their freshness and flavor for a longer period. Oxygen sets off oxidation, leading to stale coffee. When coffee beans are exposed to air, they lose their aroma and taste. Use a proper container with a secure seal like glass or ceramic with tight-fitting lids. These materials are excellent at keeping out air and moisture. Clear glass jars look great, but let in light. Another culprit in coffee degradation. Light can cause the beans to lose their quality. If you use clear glass, store it in a dark place like a cupboard or drawer. This will protect the beans from light exposure and help maintain their freshness. Temperature and light are crucial in coffee storage. Heat speeds up oxidation, causing flavor compounds to evaporate. Keep beans away from heat sources and direct sunlight. A cool, dark pantry or kitchen cabinet is ideal for stable temperature and moisture control. Avoid the fridge or freezer. Cold temperatures can slow oxidation, but humidity levels are a disaster. Coffee beans absorb moisture and odors, leading to off flavors. Temperature changes cause condensation, leading to moisture damage and freezer burn. Stick to a cool, dry, and dark place at room temperature for optimal storage. Buy your coffee beans in small batches. Freshness is fleeting. Beans are at peak flavor within weeks after roasting. Buying smaller bags more frequently ensures vibrant flavors and aromas. Plus, it allows you to experiment with different roasts and origins. Use a one-way valve bag. These valves allow carbon dioxide to escape while preventing oxygen from entering. They help preserve the freshness of your beans. If your coffee comes in a bag with a one-way valve, store your beans directly in the bag. Keep it sealed tightly and store it in a cool, dark place. Grind only what you need. This simple step can significantly enhance your coffee experience. Grinding increases the surface area, exposing flavor compounds to air and accelerating oxidation. This process is crucial for releasing the rich aromas and flavors locked inside the beans. Once ground, flavors fade rapidly. The freshness of your coffee diminishes within minutes. Grind your beans right before brewing for the freshest cup. This ensures you capture the peak flavors and aromas. Invest in a good quality grinder to control grind size and unlock the full potential of your coffee. A consistent grind size is key to a balanced extraction. Freshly ground beans make all the difference. The aroma, the taste, and the overall experience are elevated when you grind just before brewing. By following these tips, you'll keep your coffee beans fresh and flavorful longer. Protect those delicate flavor compounds from air, light, heat, and moisture. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more coffee tips, and share your coffee storage methods in the comments. Happy brewing!